Well, welcome traders. In this video, I'm going to step you through how to export your trades out of TradingVault. So it's very simple. What we want to do is go to our timeline. Now, TradingVault will export all your trades based on the filters you have set. So if you hit the clear all button and you have no filters, it will export every trade you've entered into the system. For this video, what we're going to do is export all our trades that was taken this year. So we're just going to come to the date filter, going to hit the this year option. My trades will now be filtered, and all we need to do is come up here, hit our menu button, and then click export. As you can see here, the exporter will export all the dates in a UTC format just to keep it generic. And if you're happy with that, just have to hit begin export. And as you can see down here, it has downloaded a CSV file to my computer. So we'll open that up. So here we have the Excel file. As you can see in the account name section, it's pulled down all my trades across all the accounts because that's what my filter was set up to. You can see all the different information you've put in here, exactly how you got it in your journal. You've got all your prices, all your dollar profits and everything like that. And if we scroll across, you've also got your summary, your notes, your snapshots, and even your tags will be exported. Lastly, if you do any scale outs or scale ins, every position will be shown on a separate line, just so you've got all those details. So you can see every single scale out you've done. So that's everything there, guys, that you get in your export. Handy feature there in case you need it. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments down below. We'll see you next time.